Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ladder to Knowledge. This is Vinod, your instructor for today. Let's get started. Today we will talk about a topic called paste. Paste, as you all know, is a very common area. Everybody knows about it. Common people know tell it as Control V. Generally, people do Control C, Control V. So Control V is paste. But I will not talk about only Control V. Today we will talk about paste special. Paste special is a area in Excel or in any MS Office product. You can use paste special, but today we will specifically look into options which are available in paste special in Excel. Paste special is a function which helps you to paste your copied item in different ways, which will help you to not paste everything, just paste what you want to paste. So let's get started. So before getting into the video, I would request everybody to like and subscribe. Do let us know if you have any questions, any queries in the comment section. Also, if you want this video to be in Hindi, please let us know. We will make it in Hindi as well. For today, this video is in English. Also, you will get this practice file in the description link. You want, you can download it and practice on this file. Let's start it. So paste special is a function wherein you can paste your data in different formats. I have just created a simple data in this sheet which you can see on the screen, which has couple of data like it is having a header which is highlighted in a different font. Then we have some serial numbers, some product name, quantity, price and amount. You can see there are different formats here. There are formulas in these cells, like you can see here. I'll zoom a bit over here. You can see there are formulas. You can see these are in italics. You can see again these are highlighted, underlined and so on. Let's see how we can use the paste special function. For that, first we will have to copy this, and I will explain one by one what all functions are there. So first we will copy it and go to a cell where we want to paste. As you can see, this is highlighted, or you can see this is blinking. This is the area which has been copied. Once you copy it, your under the home tab, you will see the paste is enabled. Once you click this button, which is like the downward arrow under the paste, you will see different options. This is the window. This is the dialog box which you will see, where you can see multiple options of paste special. We will look into all this one by one. So the first one is a normal paste, like the way we do control V. So if you do, this is just equal to the control V. So it is as good as you are doing a control V. So there is no difference in this. We will look into other options. So I will just undo it. So this is a common one, so nothing special in it. Next, we will look into the other options. The second option is paste formula. When you keep your cursor over this icon, you can see there are um, uh, instructions, or there are names which are given. You can see here it is written formula. So what this function will do, it will paste the copied data into in the format of formulas. So let's see what happens. Once I click paste, it will paste the data only. It will paste the data in formulas and the normal data what is there. There will be no formatting, there will be no number format, there will be no text format, there will be no highlights, and everything will be just pasted in the normal text or the formula manner. Next, we will see what happens in the next function. Again, this is already copied. I will select another cell which is 10 in the row 10. We will go to paste and see the next one. The next one is formula and number formatting. If you click this, what will happen? It will paste all the data with the formula and the number formatting like this. As you can see, the earlier one, like here in K column, you can see there are no formats as was in the original data like in D. But right now when we pasted with formulas and formatting, the number formats have came. But still it has not captured all the formats. Let's see the next one. Again, this data is copied. We will move to the next cell. When we go to the next one, what it says keep source formatting. Once you paste the data using this function, your all the source formatting will be pasted along with your formulas. As you can see, all the things are pasted as is. The only thing which is not pasted is the width of the column. So let's see whether we can eradicate this problem in our next function. Again, as you can see, this is already copied. We'll go to another cell and we'll try to paste it. We'll select N1 and see what happens. The next one is no borders. When you use this paste button and paste it, all the data, all the formattings will be pasted, but there will be no borders. All the borders will get deleted. So this is another way of pasting it. Let's delete these things once so that it will be easier for us to understand. I'll just delete this data so that we'll have some space to uh, see all the functions. So again, I will copy this data and see the next one. I'll select another cell where I want to paste and go to paste. Then another function is keep source column width. As I was already talking, with this paste, you can paste everything, even the width of the columns will be pasted, but there will be no formulas. It will be only data. As you can see, earlier there was a formula in the amount section like quantity into price, but right now if you see the amount is right now if you see, even the formula is copied along with all the formatting. The next one will be, again I will copy the data and go to another cell and we'll see the next one. The next one is the transpose. Uh, you might have heard of transpose earlier also. So transpose, what it does, it will paste the data into alternate way, in the sense your columns will be pasted in rows and your rows will be pasted in columns. So you can see earlier all the serial number, product name, quantity, price, all were in single rows. Now it's in single column, and all your serial number were in single column. Now it is in single row. So the data got transposed in from a vertical to a horizontal manner. This is very useful when you want to paste some data in some other manner, like from vertical to horizontal or vice versa. Again, we'll copy the data and see the next one. We'll go to paste and see. Again, here we have already covered the first 437, and next eighth one we will see its paste values. So when you copy a data, keep the cursor here somewhere where you want to paste and select this. It will paste only the values. It will not paste any formatting. It will not paste any formulas. It will only paste the values. So what will happen when you use this? Your destination formatting will stay intact. Right now, since there is no formatting in the destination, it is just showing only numbers and data. If your destination is having some data, is having some formatting, it will keep that as it is. It will not impact your destination formatting. It is very helpful when you want to just paste only the numbers or only the data. I will delete this once again so that we have some space to look into further options. Again, I will copy the data and move further. Let's see what is the next option. I will select the cell where I want to paste the data. The next option is values and number formatting. When you use this, what will happen? Your data will be pasted along with the numbers and with the number formatting, but obviously it will not pull your formulas, only the number formatting and the data will be there. Also, your column width will not get adjusted automatically like it was getting adjusted earlier. So I will just delete this once again and copy the data, go to the same cell G. The next one is values and source formatting. When you keep copy this, what will happen? It will paste all the data in terms of values, and it will copy also the source formatting and will paste it here, but there will be no formulas, only your values and formatting will get copied. Next, again, if we go again, we'll go to some other cell and see what happens next. In other paste option, you can see it can paste only formatting. If you see, no data is being copied, no formulas are being copied, only the formatting is copied. I'll just undo it so that we have a blank area again. The next one is paste link. If you paste through a link, what will happen? It it automatically gets linked with the source data. If I go to this cell, let's say S10 A10, and I press F2, you can see it's linked to cell A1. Same way, all the cells are linked. This is linked to price, this is linked to 5000. So everything is linked to the source data. So there is whatever changes you make in the source data, that will get reflected automatically here, because it is based on the links, and Excel works very well with links. I'll just delete once again and again copy the data and move ahead. The next option says about paste as picture. What will happen when you paste this as a picture? This is just a image and you cannot make any changes over here. If you even change the source data, there will be no impact because it has been converted into a picture mode. Let's see. I'll change the name. I'll change the main source data. Let's see whether it gets changed. Let We'll put here printer. Let's see what happens. Printer. Let's see. Look, there is no change in the image. But what will happen if we use the next one? Let's copy it. Keep select a cell where we want to paste and use the next option, which is linked picture. So linked picture is an option wherein the data will be pasted as an image, but it will be linked to the original data, wherein if you make any changes, it will get updated. If I make the change in the price, let's see what happens. I'll change the price 5000 to 8000, and look, you can see here also the price got changed and the amount got calculated automatically. So this is the function which is called as linked picture. I will just delete this and we'll see further what else options we have. I will delete this picture as well. Again, I will copy the data and see what more functions we have. We'll go here. Again, we have already covered this 4, 3, 7, 3, 10, and 4, 14 items. Again, we'll see what else is available. We'll click on this button, which is paste special. You will see a dialog box like this opens in front of you. You can go to this dialog box with multiple places, through multiple places. You can even paste. You can go from the home menu. You can go from shortcuts like control alt V. You can use alt ES. All these shortcuts works with Excel to get into this dialog box. So we have already discussed the above one, majority of the above one. In this only one, you can see here some more functions are there like comments and validation. So if you paste using this option, only comments whatever is there in the selected data will get pasted. If you select validation, whatever validation will be there in the source data will get pasted at the destination place. So I will move ahead and tell you another important function which relates to operation. So in operation, what happens? We have multiply, divide, add and subtract. Let's say you have a big chunk of data like 500 or 1000 and you want to make some calculation changes, a similar calculation changes and on the number. Doing it manually will take hell lot of time, so we will not do like that. Let's say we want to increase the prices of all this by 500. So with this paste special, how we can do it? I'll just type 500 over any cell. I will just copy it, go to paste special and select go to, we'll copy it, go to select the range where we want to have an impact, go to paste special and get into that dialog box. And here you can see we can either multiply, divide, add, subtract. So we just thought of doing an addition of 500. Let's see how we do it. So we have copied the 500 and selected the area where we want to paste it. Now I'll click add and OK. See, all the prices got increased by 500. Same way, if you want to deduct or subtract, again we'll copy, select the area, go to paste special dialog box. and click on subtract and OK. And your price again went to less, 500 less on everything. This is how you can use even the divide and the multiply option. What else we have? Let's see. So again we'll copy, we'll go to the paste special dialog box. So we have already looked into all this. Another one, transpose, is also we have looked at. Paste link also we have discussed. Column width formulas, all this we have discussed. You can look into all this. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us through the comment box. Do let us know if you want us to make any specific topic videos on our channel. We'll definitely make it. Another important function which is there is skip blanks. I'll tell you how this works. First, close this dialog box. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this data for an example purpose and paste it here as paste as value. I'll paste the same data over here. So we'll paste the same data twice. What I'll do, I'll make some spaces over here. I'll delete two data here. I'll delete this data. I'll delete this data. So what happened? We have some data in column B and some in column C. Here we have two blanks. We'll copy this entire data and paste over here. So ideally, when you do copy paste, when you do control C, control V, what will happen? All these data get pasted here, and this camera and speakers, which is already present in the cells, will get deleted. But by using paste skip blanks, how we can do it without deleting this data and even selecting the entire range. We'll copy it, go to the place where we want to paste, get into the dialog box, paste special, click on skip blanks and paste and click OK. Look, our data got pasted by skipping the blank cell. The data which is there is already there. It did not got overwritten. So this is how we can use skip blanks. So this is also very important when you work with big data, a lot of data in your job, in your professional life, in your personal life, as a student, or in anything where you use your Excel. So stay tuned, do like and subscribe our channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. You can download this file from the description link. That's all for now. This is Vinod. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.